again.
He wants to face us.
Come on, boy.
Oh, God dang it.
It stinks over here. I'm moving.
We are so posting that on YouTube.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
That was awesome. Do that again. Come on, do it, do it.
Going, yo. Love it.
We need to do playbacks.
Kyle, do it again. Again, do it again.
I hate you now.
I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna do it again. That'd be even more for the camera.
Okay, that's enough, guys. I'm hungry.
Yeah, you blew all your chunks over here.
I'm a little bit of a try with that. Did you take soda or something? Because it's just like you sound like you went to soda.
It got caught in the throat. Looks like you're dying when you're burping. Now I'm gonna do it all night.
No, no, just one more. One more. One more.
What do you want more? One more really good one.
I need to connect.
If I throw up, I'm gonna punch one of you.
No, no.
Okay, it's definitely going on YouTube.
You walked into a. You blame this kid right here.
What?
What? You said she's so
Nice.
So strong. See, I ripped this thing from my back.
Oh my god, it smells.